Okay, so we are, what, 5 days after surgery?
Just not till tonight at 9 o'clock.
Okay, so we're 4.5 days out from surgery. Nurse recommended pain medicine. There was some post-op pain, but she's now off narcotics, taking Tylenol. Let's see you go through the little chair routine. So go ahead and lift your leg up in the air for me. Do a straight leg raise. Just go up and down, up and down, up and down. Good for you, and that's very good extension. Now go ahead and stand up for me. Back up to the chair. Go ahead and now grab the chair handles, but then sit down and then scoot forward and show me how far you can bend the knee. Very nice. And you've been measured at 115 degrees. We're going to remeasure that. That's going to be more like 120, 125 degrees. That's awesome. You're crushing it.
I was 115 on Monday.
Yeah, you're doing great. Let's see you walk over to the other side of the room if you don't mind. Very good. Back this way. And have a seat again.
No limping.
No limping. I love no limping. Now you've done brilliant. Way to go. Go ahead and have a seat.
My head wasn't dizzy. I could walk better.
Well, we're all a little bit dizzy. That is okay.